The sea goat is a fascinating mythical creature and has appeared many times throughout history in mythology of different cultures. Some of the most notable cultures that have explored the idea of the sea goat are ancient Greeks, the Latins, Egyptians, and other Eastern mythologies. The sea goat differs from other sea myths and legends in that there haven't been many sightings, but it's rather a metaphorical being. Let's look at ancient Greek mythology. The sea goat has appeared in many forms in Greek lore. Greeks saw Capricornus as a sea goat, which led to the naming of the star constellation after him. In a tale about Amalthea, the foster mother goat of Zeus, he rewarded her for her dedication during his upbringing by sending her to the stars. We now look at Prickers, one of the most significant sea goats in Greek myth. He was seen as the father of a race of sea goats and was created by Kronos. Kronos gave the sea goats the ability to speak and have thoughts. Despite this, their nature was to exist on land rather than sea. After many failed attempts to keep them at sea, Prickers let them finally live on land and became the only sea goat in the ocean. His solitude caused him great torment, and he then pleaded with Kronos to end his life. However, Kronos sent him to live among the stars. This was one of a number of origin stories surrounding the Capricornus constellation. We see it when the Greek god Pan, the god of the wilderness, was described. And we also see it in a similar mythological creature in Japan, a half fish, half goat. In ancient Mesopotamia, Capricornus was referred to as Sahermas, which translates as goatfish. In ancient Sumeria, the god Enki often intertwined with Capricornus, as Enki symbolised flowing water, the goat, and the bird. Many religions have toyed with the concept of the sea goat. There is a traditional Jewish tale in which the Leviathan demands that all sea creatures must be offered to it. Sea creatures had to travel far and wide to do this, the sea goat being one of these. The sea goat has a part to play in the discipline of astrology. As previously alluded to, the constellation of Capricorn is tightly linked to the concept of the sea goat. The Capricorn zodiac sign depicts the image of a goat and fish combined. Many of the origin stories of the constellation of Capricorn mention the influence of the sea goat, particularly in Greek myth. Star systems Beta Capricorn and Delta Capricorni both reside within the constellation of Capricorn. They are a remarkable 329 and 38 light years away from the Earth respectively. Explore more about the ocean at oceaninfo.com.